In this video, I'm going to share with you how the IQONIC backend works, how to join, and some of the changes that have been made since they changed from EA Economy. So first of all, once you click the link, you'll just hit join. So you'll go to this page where you can select your country and then select whether you become an affiliate or a customer. An affiliate is where you refer others to the products and you can earn commissions, and you can also use the products as well. But if you just want to use the products as a trader and an investor, you can just become a customer. So we'll go continue. If you want basically the full package, you'll just go the IQ basic. You'll put that quantity to 1. You'll see it comes up in the cart. You do have the option for some other products, but just have a look at what it includes. If it doesn't include things you want, just check to ensure that you've got the right product that you're looking for. So for example, if you want the Max Lifestyle and you want IQ Atlas with the travel portal, shopping discounts, and so on, you'll just have to select one there. So it just depends on what product you want, but I'll just be going through the IQ Basic to show you some of the products that we've got access to in the portal. So let's dive right into it. Once you've got the product you want, you just go continue. You fill in your personal info. It is optional to provide an address. You'll have a username, so you can set your username if you do want to refer others in the future, and then you simply create a password. Once you go on to the next stage, it's just about payment. So you just put in your credit card details and a few other details and just check that you've got the right product there, and then you're good to go. Now, obviously with any trading tools or any trading at all, there's the opportunity that you can lose money. So just be aware of that. When you're trading, your money is on the line. So you've got to be cautious about any product that you use, and any trade can go up or down. It's really about risk management, using a bit of accountability when you go into trading products. So don't come in thinking that this is going to make money regardless of what you do. You still have to trade well. You still have to do the right things. You have to manage your risk accordingly. They're just basically tools that help you improve or find trades and that kind of thing. So don't come in thinking it's a magic bullet. Nothing that exists in the whole world is a magic bullet. So just be smart, use your brain, and if you do want the products, then you can get access to them. If you don't want the products, don't go around saying it's a scam, because it's a product. It's not a brokerage that might take your money or something like that. It's literally products. You pay for them. If you don't want them next month, you can cancel. It's super easy. Let's log in. So once you're a member and you have access, you'll just go log in. You'll see a back end here where you can get access, and you can see that I have 70 points, and basically that puts me in a position where I can access the tools. So digital products, because I'm on the IQ Basic access. So I'll just go IQ Academy. Okay, so once you log into the Academy, you've got access to Fast Start Trading. So it's quite clear, quite easy to use by the look of it. Fast Start Trading, you just click Start here, but we'll have a quick scroll down. You've also got access to Introduction to Cryptocurrencies. You can watch a live session, so it's got live tutorials and training. You've got IQ strategies here, so different strategies on buy and sell methods and that kind of thing. We'll click Start here. You've got Forex trading here, so you've got an intro, exponential moving averages, support and resistance lines, so S&R. You've got stars and the POC, not sure what that is. Next video, that goes for 27 minutes. So there's a good at least hour and a half, 2 hours of training in the Forex component. We'll go over to crypto. Crypto is still being worked on, so just be aware of that. Just jump into the IQ live sessions. We've got a calendar here. There's a ton of different training sessions. So really good if you're looking to learn and get guidance from other traders and investors. Tons of stuff here. So quite good if you like the live interactive type scenarios. You can look at the educators, view their profile, that kind of thing. This guy was on the front, so have a look at his profile. So there's a video there. You've got IQ Insight. Tons of Bitcoin updates, so lots of trading on, you've got Euro USD, we've got gold, so lots of different currency pairs and that kind of thing inside IQ Insight. Okay, so basically each of these products goes to the one dashboard. Go back to IQ Insight, and if I click on this, I can just zoom in and have a look at the chart. If I go to the crypto live sessions, there's also a whole nother calendar here. So we've got Bitcoin live analysis and trading, crypto portfolio sessions. So a few different calendars here that we can join in on sessions. You can view their profile of the educators as well. Okay, and when I hit IQ charts from this window, it lets me in. Comes up with a couple of closed issues, so that's all right. I'll just see if I can figure out this tool here. When I go IQ strategies and then strategy, pulls up a range of analysis here. So it looks like we're potentially going to turn around off this red line down here. So that's interesting. We've got a time frame analysis. Pretty much everything in the next 30 minutes is all pointing down. Just got the 1 hour and the daily pointing up potentially on the trend. We've got mixed trends, low volume, and we can reload the scanner just to see if it changes anything. So I'll go back now and see if I can actually change what we're looking at. I'm going to go the Euro USD, and I'll go to the strategy robot looking thing. Click that. We'll hit the button strategy. See what it pulls up. Now, pretty much everything is pointing down here. We've got mixed trends. Trade clock is low volume, and then you can reload the scanner there. This strategy is something that they teach in the live session, so you'd have to obviously go and watch that to understand what it's all about. Have a look at silver USD, see what that comes up with. Looks like we're running into a pivot point type scenario here, and the market's reacting to that. So we'll just see where that goes. Have a look at crypto, Bitcoin USD. It's really on the bottoms here, so it'll be interesting to see what the strategy says here. Now imagine later on, once they get going, because this is only relatively new, there will be more strategies that you can pull up. So right now it's just this one. It'll pull up a bit of a layout for you on the chart. Okay, and this just looks like it's going to probably reject based on all the analysis here, particularly off this yellow star. It looks like, okay, every yellow star, it seems to look like, it looks like a bit like a fractal for those who know about trading. So it kind of looks like a fractal. We're getting a bit of a rejection. We've got this low from the other day. That was yesterday. So be interesting to see whether that continues lower or it actually rejects and recovers. We'll have a look at Ethereum too, just for the sake of having a look. And so there was a level here, the yellow star, and it's going up now. So that's quite cool. We've got everything is pointing down though. So maybe people would be waiting for the next yellow star to then short, perhaps. Still low volume because that's just the time of the day. And we'll have a look at the bottom section. It's just a profile there. So really, once this gets going, it's going to have all the different strategies here, I would imagine. And if you're, I guess, watching something in particular, like let's say you're watching the US yen, really popular currency pair, and then you can go over to the strategies little robot, hit the strategy that you want to see laid out on the chart, it'll load for a little bit, and it'll pull up all this info. So that blue star, look at those blue stars. So whenever you see a blue star, it'd be nice if you can get an alert to say, right, a blue star has occurred on the high. Perhaps it's time to go short, or like vice versa down here. Once the blue star is below this level, that was a really good buy by the looks there. We're now recovering, so there's no star there just yet, but everything on this little window says up. So it's a really good way to kind of look at the trend, the POC, and just get a vibe for what direction the market should be looking to go, and then try not to trade against that. So look for opportunities, wait, be patient until the market sets up in line with what you're looking to trade. So that's about it, guys. I actually really liked the Monero trading tool. It's a tool that they had previously. It was quite cool. You could go in, you could see what's setting up, a whole ton of different patterns, and I think I passed an Apex funded account at one point just solely using that. So it makes trading a little bit easier, just finding setups that are valid right now, rather than looking at a chart thinking, oh, which way is it going to go, when it's not even in a pattern. So I can't see the Monero trading tool at the moment on here. Maybe they're working on it and improving it in the background to implement it into this new back end. As for IQONIC overall, it looks like they're really turning a new leaf. The support has improved vastly. Their back end system seems to be a lot more responsive, and things are all in one place rather than kind of separated out across different URLs and that kind of thing. One gripe that I do have with the old EA Economy is when they did change the website, they didn't actually pay me the commissions. So if you are an affiliate, just make sure that you take out your earnings consistently, because otherwise, if they do change again without telling anyone, which is what they did, then you just want to make sure that you get paid. Unfortunately, I left some of my commissions sitting there thinking, oh, I'll let them build up. And I think that was quite a big mistake, because then they moved the platform, didn't carry over the earnings. And then there was some support issues throughout that period where they weren't communicating and that kind of thing. But as of now, as of about, I think 3-4 days ago, they've actually started to respond. They've started to be quite helpful. They're looking into different questions that I have, and they're being a lot more helpful and responsive. So I think they're on the mend. They're on the way back in. and hopefully there'll be some really cool products coming as well. But this is just a bit of an insight into the products that are available right now and how you can get them. So it's just the IQ Basic subscription. And if you do want to become an affiliate, just send me an email. So my email's on my channel page. We can have a bit of a back and forth and a bit of a discussion about how you can start earning with EA Economy or the IQONIC affiliate program.